Today, we're diving into the world of innovative lighters with a review of the Turbo Metal Blue Flame Gas Lighter Spray Gun. Priced at just $12, this lighter promises convenience, durability, and versatility. Let's start with an overview of the Turbo Metal Blue Flame Gas Lighter Spray Gun. It's designed to provide a fixed flame, making it suitable for various situations. Plus, if you purchase 2 pieces or more, you'll get an extra 3% discount. And as a special bonus, the seller includes a special gift in your package. The Turbo Metal Blue Flame Gas Lighter Spray Gun is packed with features that make it a must-have accessory. It's made of high-quality stainless steel with a unique air filter cleaner for durability. With a windproof design, it's perfect for outdoor activities like BBQs and camping. It comes with all the accessories you need for easy use, including a spray gun for containing your favorite cigarette. Versatile usage, whether you're lighting cigars, BBQs, or performing jewelry welding, this spray gun has you covered. Comfortable to use, made of high-quality aluminum alloy. It's durable and has a long service life. Here are some key specifications and attributes of the Turbo Metal Blue Flame Gas Lighter Spray Gun. Model number: Turbo Metal Blue Flame Gas Lighter. Techniques: lacquer material, metal. Brand name: Boral. Weight: 1 fuel. Butane gas size: 1,753,625 millimeters.